Hey, welcome back to my channel, Duct Tape Mechanic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a LG front load washing machine that's not starting and also potentially giving a DE1 error code. So if you find this video to be helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more DIY and tinkering videos. Alright, so here's the washing machine in question. It's not starting, so basically you've put in your clothes, you hit start, and you're getting this error code, DE1. But have no fear, this is a really simple fix. I'm going to show you how to do that and have your machine running in no time. Now, this video is going to be applicable to a wide range of LG washing machines, LG front loaders, I should say. And this one in particular is that model number right there, just in case if you're curious. But anyways, let's get this going so you can have your machine up and running quickly. All right, so to resolve this issue, we're going to be replacing the door lock mechanism, which is this piece right here. On this model, it's fairly easy to do. The hardest part is undoing the electrical connector from the back, and I'll show you a little tip for that. But the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and unplug the washing machine. You don't need to really worry about the water hoses in this situation. And after that, we're going to undo the top. And on this particular model, it just means undoing that screw there and that screw right there. Then after that, going ahead and pushing this top towards the wall backwards, and you should be able to just lift it right up after doing so. The top has been taken off. You can actually come back over here and you'll see that you can actually get to the door switch or the door lock mechanism, which is right here, without having to undo anything further. So there's just an electrical connector or a plug that connects to that door lock mechanism, and it can be kind of a tight squeeze to unplug it. So what I like to do is I like to come to the front over here and open the door and just undo the two screws from here, and then just push this mechanism out. So then you can have a little bit more freedom to hold the mechanism and pull off the plug, and that should look something like this. Alright, so I went ahead and just undid those two screws. Now I should be able to just pull the mechanism away like so. Hopefully you can see that, and I'll show it better when I actually pull it off. But there's a little white connector right here that you just kind of push down on and pull at the same time. There you go. And then just unconnect like so. Alright, so here's our replacement part. I will try to provide the part number and the link, I should say, to this part in the description of this video, so you could just click on it and get to it, so you don't have to worry about tracking the part number. I believe it should also pop up around this time in the video in the bottom of the screen, so you can just find it that way as well. But as you can see, this is where the plug is going to plug into. So we're going to kind of position it like this and plug it in. Then we're going to put it into place and screw it in from the front. You do want to be careful, otherwise your hands will get cut, because there's a lot of sharp metal here. So it's probably a good idea to wear some gloves. I still think this is better than taking off the entire front door, because there's a lot of screws and whatnot for just a simple door lock mechanism. So I got it right there, and I'm just gonna plug it in like so. It's all plugged in. It should look something like that. And now we'll just kind of position it into the opening and screw it in from the front. Obviously you want to have the door open while you're doing this. when it's in position, we're just going to go ahead and put this screws back in. Now it does help if you kind of just, I'll show you when I scroll out here, but if you want to just put your hand behind here as you screw it in, just to make sure it doesn't kind of back out of the position that's supposed to be in. Alright, after we've installed the door lock mechanism, we'll just put the top back on. Alright, so I've got the machine hooked up to my test station right here. I've got some duct tape delicates in there, and then we're about to start the machine. And this is where we're having that issue before, right? As soon as we hit the start button, we'd get that DE1 error code, and it wouldn't start the cycle. So we'll see if it continues to do that now after replacing the lid lock mechanism. Excuse the water here. I just got done moving a machine out of this test station before I put this one in, so it's just some residual from over there. Anyways, let's go ahead and just start the run there. And before, it would have just have given us the error code right there, but now you see that that red light for the lid lock has come on, and we're actually beginning to get some movement in the tub right there. So that is how you fix that issue. So if you found this video to be helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up sign.